I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
I ain't getting it like that.
Left or right? You didn't me basketball. One. You guys, we're watching our wedding video non-stop.
Yep.
Good morning. It's another happy day in this household. And it's quite a gloomy day outside, and every time it's gloomy we do something to get our life excited. So we want to go for Sunday brunch, and then go window shopping, and hopefully I'll convince Precious to buy me something nice. And look at my man, you guys, this one, he's always surprising me with new things. Like, he just kind of nowhere with this. I've not seen any of this clothes. He has like 5 boxes of Zara things that he just hid away. I'm like, open it up, let's see. He's like, nah, this is one of that. I'm guessing from Zara, right?
So yes. In this situation now, what do you want me to say?
You look nice.
Thank you.
That's what me I can say. You look nice.
This year I'm a man of few words. I don't speak much.
You're not mature.
I'm a married man now. I don't speak much.
You're so mature now.
So yeah, that's what it is.
So what are you wearing? Give us a tour.
Okay, I'm just wearing this Zara hoodie, zip-up hoodie, with my cargo. I'm wearing a black turtleneck, just some accessories, my wristwatch, my sneakers. I'll wear that just before we step out. That's the vibe for today, just keeping it simple and easy, you know.
And me, I'm wearing this jumpsuit onesie from Muslava. My jacket is from Zara. My bag is JWP. And you guys, I'm so excited for this. My perfume! This is the first perfume I ever owned. My mom bought it for my siblings and told us if we were good with the perfume, she was going to buy us more. And when I saw it on Amazon yesterday, I had to order it. Like, what? It's so affordable. It's like on sales right now. And when my mom bought it, it was quite expensive. So it's like on like a 50% sale. And I'm like, what? This is how much this thing is now. But I remember back then it was quite expensive. So yeah, this is let me show you. Live Life.
Yeah.
By Jennifer Lopez. And let me show you. I saw the Intense Blend shop, but I got the particular one my mom bought for us. Then let me see. Let me see. Still smells the same way.
So it takes you back.
My mom really.
1 million, yeah.
Oh my god, it still smells like it. Oh my god. My mom used to tell us that we couldn't spray the perfume to school, but we used to sneak and spray it and go to school. And then everyone would be like, why are you smelling so nice? This was it. I'm so excited for this.
You see how valuable the perfume is for her.
I'm going to buy more of it and just keep it at home. When my siblings come, I'll give each of them one of it.
It's just nice though. I like it. Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Even though you'd already let the cat out of the bag.
From the video. Yeah, so yeah. Let's go explore money.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to do what making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. There's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. There's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that
You guys, we just got to a restaurant and it's so windy outside. Like, see my eyes? That's what the wind does to me. I get so watery and my hair just puffed up. Wow, fussy hair. But I'm excited. We're here for Sunday roast. Look at my hobby.
Yup.
Are you
Sunday
excited?
roast. Let's go.
Let's go. Are you happy for your side? You're so handsome, babe.
Look at the blush.
Are you ready?
Yep.
good thing they suit you.
Yeah, baby. Living the life.
And I stayed bruising just to save me. That's what I tripped on your love. Now I'm addicted.
Guys, this is a lot of food. I don't know where to start from. But I've wanted Sunday roast for the longest. Are you enjoying this?
I'm having an amazing time. The food is still settling in my brain.
And it's so hot. Ooh.
Smoking hot.
Smoky.
And the gravy is so nice.
Is it?
The gravy is really nice. Yeah.
We're scared that the gravy might be too intense.
I love it.
Love it. Diecast is where is that, you know?
As a place to be on a Sunday, you know?
Let me try.
That's what a gravy should taste like.
You have something that was freshly made.
Yeah.
Not with granules. Nice.
Cheers, guys. Oh, no, let me do it. Cheers, guys.
All the time I was outside, I was creating. I won't waste the time when it comes to you. Come right by the side, give it all to. Pull it up fast to you. 1, 2, 3, bust.
Show wedding song.
Got me feeling like pop, but I do it all for you.
That's my song, baby. That's our song. Oh, go on. You look good.
Thank you. And I'm almost your height.
It's Val, baby. Let's go have some Valentine vibes. My lady in red, ready for dinner. I'm ready to take her out, you know. We enjoy it. We're playing this song for our wife.
Definitely. That one down the eye.
Hey! Okay, yeah, what will I be doing?
You're not kind of smiling. That's like crying.
Oh, you see that one I'll be like this, then you know. Or I'll just be waiting at the end when you're walking down the aisle. In my humble self. He's asking me if I will cry. My emotions will show, overflow. Time when it comes to you.
Guys, my sweet husband got me flowers. And this smells so divine. Can you smell it?
Divine, yeah. Fresh flowers.
Oh my god. It's Valentine's Day. We're all dressed now, going for dinner. Not sure what we're going to.
You'll find out when we get there.
Okay.
We have a
Oh my God.
reservation, so
Yeah.
just want to have a pretty dinner.
Oh, you look so good.
Thanks, baby.
What are you
Let's
wearing?
Okay, I'm just wearing this blazer. It's from Zara. Pairing it with my white shirt, black chinos, my Gaia loafers, and accessories, wristwatch, my rings. That's the swag. Look at my baby. Just tell us what you're wearing.
Oh, and this gown from Mango, my bag from Zimilie. That's my baby. First time carrying it. I love it. Guys, look at this. This is what he calls me. And he customized my bag, me and more. Like, what? The best one ever. Yeah, this is my look. My jewelry is like all the ones you've been seeing every day. And yeah, we're all ready to go eat. Like, I've been starving all day because Precious said we're going to have dinner.
Me too.
So,
Not had nothing.
so yeah,
I want to eat good.
that's the vibe.
And the night is just starting. So yeah, let's go for this one first. So carry you guys along and you see what we get up to.
Okay.
We're back.
I'm back. We're still looking for a reservation. I'm here dancing.
You need to buy first.
Okay, let's go.
The bazooka, the bamba. The bamba. You look nice, baby.
Thanks, my
You
love.
look good, baby.
You too, baby. What are you having?
I have a Bloody Mary. How about you?
I have to look at the menu.
Sorry?
I'll have to look to know. Your drink is ready. More bubble? Yes. You guys, we just had the best dinner ever. I had ragu for the first time.
I had linguine
Not for the
with
first
mixed
time.
seafood. No, not for the first time,
this
but
one was
yeah, that's
so
my
nice.
food.
I tried it. He refused to try mine. He was being very, no, I'm eating just my meal. For me, you know, I would have to try his food. And it was so good. And then I had like this Italian salad. Ooh. They need to tell me what they put in that because like it was to die for. To die for, literally. We're out here waiting for our taxi because we want to go home, change, and go out and dance on Valentine's Day.
That's the vibe.
Because that's what lovers do.
That's in the mood. Alright, guys. Yeah, we'll carry you guys along, yeah?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go! You guys, we're ready to go. If I don't do this, it's not gonna stop that music. So yeah, we're all dressed to go out.
Right.
I'm wearing this gown. I wore it in Morocco, if you guys remember. And it's still a vibe. I changed this how I styled it today. Like, see, love it. And this is my man. What are you wearing, baby?
Just wearing this sweater with my turtleneck. I'm wearing my black chinos and my Adidas sneakers, my rings. That's the fit. I just want to go dance, drink, party till the song.
And you know what's funny?
What do you call it? The song comes what?
Comes up.
Comes up. Yeah.
What's funny is that everywhere that they have a party tonight, you have to pay. But we didn't know that. And we're too old to know that you're supposed to be paying for clubs and stuff. So yeah. Now we have to go figure out a way to get into the club. And we don't know what's going to happen when we get there. But you guys are coming with us to vibe and have a good night. So yeah. Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Kitty, kitty, bitch, get it, things for the rest. Cause you don't need it like the 68 jets. Diamonds and nothing when I'm rockin' with you. I know.
You guys, so today is a very, very sunny day and I think we want to stay in. But this is what we're trying. I saw this company online. I decided to try them. Simply Cook. They'll give you like a bunch of spices to try. And I did their box that contains like 4 different things. And look at how it comes. Okay. Excited to try it. I mistakenly ripped this one open. So maybe I will start with this. And it's like a recipe kit, and it comes with like instructions for each of the recipe you pick. So this is Balinese chicken with instructions on how to cook it. And then this is, the next one I took was Thai beef masaman curry. So I'm excited to also try this one. And which other one did I take? I like curry, and if you know anything about I Am Precious, we do love curry, so yeah. So I also got this one, crispy chili beef. And then this one is Goan fish curry. This I'm not so excited about, but because I also like fish, I'm like, why not try something different? And they have like a bunch of other things, and I can't wait to try it. So yeah, we're gonna cook some curry and stay cozy and enjoy our day. Okay guys, so I decided to make the Balinese chicken curry, and that's because we have basically everything here. The only thing we don't have on here is the green beans, and it calls for chicken thighs, and luckily I always have chicken thighs in the freezer. So I've chopped it up into fillets. I'm going to spice this now and just let it sit for a bit, like marinate, and then I will then start frying up the curry. The good thing is it comes with like instruction for everything to do. So for my marinade, I'm using onion granules because I'm still going to use like chopped onions in there. So just a bit of this. Then my favorite chicken spice, Cajun seasoning. I love this so much. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of this as well. This really tastes sweet. So sometimes when I use this, I don't add like Maggi, not cubes or any of that. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of curry because it comes with like its own curry in there, in the pack itself. So just a little bit of curry to the chicken. I always find it hard to open this. Garlic always goes with everything, so a little garlic. And I definitely would not be having chicken without chili, so chili powder, just a little bit. I'm just going to add a bit of salt just for the taste. Okay, I'll marinate this and then we'll start off on our curry. Someone is trying to be supportive in my cooking by getting us to drink a bit of liquid courage, innit?
It's a good incentive, you know,
Is it?
just to get the day going.
My chicken is marinated, so why not?
Let's treat ourselves to a bottle of Chardonnay.
Chardonnay?
Wow, we are with the meal.
And then the next time we'll do Chablis.
Chablis? It's a good way to spend the Saturday, you know. So yeah, that's the idea. Cheers, baby.
Wow. This is TV so active. He just brought our voice, whatever, to. He thought I was going to search for something. Let me.
Okay.
Cheers, guys. Sorry, I got distracted by that.
Now we are with the meal. I've been supportive, right?
Very supportive. Yeah, very supportive.
Moral support.
You're a very supportive man.
Oh, yes, you see, that's a good one. Yeah. Let's do one now.
You guys, the curry is ready. This looks so good. I feel like the only thing that's missing is the beans, but this looks really nice. And we're going to have it with rice. I'm just going to serve us now, and then we will eat. So excited. Are you excited for me?
Yep.
I always give you the beginning. I'm guessing that's
so funny. Is this one?
Yeah, see.
Ooh, yummy.
I'll try it.
Tastes really nice. How's that creamy base with the chicken and very tasty.
And there's coconut milk in it as well.
Okay, maybe that's why I feel it's creamy. Coconut milk. That is so nice. Okay, it's worth it then. What's the name of the company?
Simply Cook.
Okay. Wow.
It's nice.
She told me about it like when she got there and she wanted to make the meal as a surprise, but I didn't really know much of what she was saying, but now this is the true test because it tastes really nice. So nice, man.